Wagwan people, so you have seen the introduction to this video and you basically wonder what is going on. Well, in today's video I went with a friend and basically helped him to buy a bike. Now this bike is a second-hand bike and it's similar to the one that I have, but it's a different brand. This is the Supra 250 and the bike that I have is a Jamco 250. So basically the Supra modeled after the Jamco, you know, and that's basically it. So I'm actually coming from Mandeville, right, to come Kingston and help my friend out with this purchase. So hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. You see me?
I thought that was down. I was like, oh my god, Sheldon! Sheldon! Oh my god, boy! I don't like the color of your anymore! Oh my gosh, you piece of shit! Oh wow, wow, wow! That's excellent driving, bitch. Excellent driving, bitch. What the fudge? This bro is freaking crazy, man. Oh my god. Yeah, we got a loud noises. Yeah. Very, very loud noises, you know. This bro was about to write me off the road. Oh, I didn't put crosswalk, that's all. Oh, I didn't even see it. My god, it took a really bad hit there. You don't know, so we reach at the phone boss, phone up, you know. Yeah. Oh, this Nick.
Okay guys, I do want to apologize in advance because the footage that I recorded when we were making the purchase, it got corrupted and I pretty much lost everything. So this is the only little piece I was able to salvage from the dump.
Right before you reach home, you know. Yeah. Get little gas when you start it, just a little bit. Yeah. So we're on the road, you know. Position yourself over this and then look. Yeah? Go on. Alright, now go catch him back now. Joining in. We're having a very jolly time. I don't know what happened to my camera. You know, we're just riding and riding. On 35, and I'm going, yeah, he's going 30 something, and I'm going 30 something too. Woo, I'm tearing out my butt, man. I'm standing. Look at me. Woo. Yes! Stop holding on the back brake! Woo! Yeah man, social distancing, bro. Yeah, man. Woo! Just having fun out here, man. Yeah, man. Look at Jason, man. Look at Jason, man. He's doing it. Hey, taxi boy, don't come out. Stay in your lane. Go, taxi boy. Yeah, bro, we're doing it. Yeah, bro, you got your mask on, but I'm doing it. Oh, I don't know if somebody come show the film somewhere up here, so. I don't remember. Oh, no. Yeah, and he's doing it. Look here. Yeah, bro. We gnarly out here, man. We gnarly. Look at it, bro. Yeah, bro. You got it, bro. Yeah. I'm the biggest hype man up in this. Oh, we got. Where? What? That's cheaper. Bravo. Oh my God. Welcome to Dewey Moon. Hey boy, you stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane, man. I will just stick to the left of the road. Woo! Yeah, baby. Oh my God, there's a cow. There's a cow on the road. What the frick is a cow? Hey, moo! Oh my God. Nah. Yeah, brother. We gnarly back out here. Oh, this is Louis Backgate. Oh my God! My God, yes! Louis Backgate! Why? I'm so sorry for the kids. Which way are we going, bro? You gotta stick to a lane. Stick to a lane. Watch your right. Which way are you going? Left or right? Rustin! Take your time, man. Easy. He cranked this rock and he just like went out on him like an elbow. Go through, man. We just learning easy on my dan. Easy on my charge. I have a shamadan. Sure. Hey. It's like how you just get used to the road, stay left of the lane. No drift go to the right. Enough time you're there. And the car them want to pass you. Yeah. You feel it? Me see how hold it down so man. And me the back of you say, yeah man, feel it out. Yeah man, that's how you figure G. You see me? No man. What me not like is, like, you have this little wobbly. I think of your balance basically. Yeah, like when the bike is slow down, you tend to wobble. In due time, you are going to catch it, you see me? What's going on over here? Oh, that the way down, the shifter they down for true. Your shifter they down a little bit. But I like how the gear, I see I go through traffic too. No sir. I know out here, without fear, putting five something in my baby girl's ear, branches.
I kick off a stoplight and I see police.
Yeah, I see that. But the police not business boy, you G. Nah, business boy at all. Yeah, guys. Oh, my machine, is it? Yeah. Yeah, man.
Link up with Paradise Bike, you see me? Help me get my bike, isn't it?
Yes, man, yes.
So basically we went ahead, went where the person was, looked at the bike, check everything to make sure everything was alright, you know, and negotiated on the price. Well, we already negotiated the price before, so we know what to expect. But we just went ahead and just check over the bike, make sure everything was alright. The document was, you know, right for the vehicle and everything, you know. We did those basic checks. And also the person was nice enough to give us a test ride. Yo, if you're going to purchase a vehicle and the person is able to give you a test ride, take it. You know, take the test ride and check, go through all of the gears, them check to see if everything alright, test the brakes, test everything, the electrical, everything, you know, because at the end of the day, you don't want to buy any puss in a bag, as we would say here, right?